In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide chats in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever hidden a chat in Teams to clean up your workspace, and then later needed to bring it back, it can be a little confusing to remember where to find it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple and reliable way to unhide any chat. Using the search bar at the top of the Teams window, we'll go slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, look toward the very top of your Microsoft Teams window. You should see a sleek search bar that runs across the top. This bar is where you normally search for people, messages, or files. We're going to use this same bar to track down the chat you previously hid. Make sure you're signed in and on the main Teams interface, not inside a meeting window or a separate pop-out chat. Next, click inside that search bar so your cursor is active there. Now, start typing the name of the chat you hid. This could be the name of a person you were chatting with, the title of a group chat, or even a keyword that you remember from the conversation. As you type, Teams will automatically start suggesting results underneath, including people and past chat threads. Take a moment to scan the list and find the chat you want to bring back. When you see the correct chat in the search results, move your mouse over it. On the right-hand side of that chat entry, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Teams keeps additional actions that aren't shown by default, and it's also where the option to unhide the chat is located. After you click the 3 dots, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Unhide. Go ahead and click Unhide. As soon as you do this, Microsoft Teams will restore that conversation to your main chat list on the left-hand side of the screen. You don't need to restart the app or refresh anything. The chat should reappear immediately among your other conversations, ready for you to open and continue where you left off. That's all there is to it. By using the search bar, selecting the chat, opening the 3-dot menu, and choosing Unhide, you can quickly restore any hidden conversation